Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today we're going to talk about another very powerful software that everybody loves. Businesses, coaches and content creators enjoy using this software, and that's called GOHIGHLEVEL. HighLevel is actually super simple to use, and I'm going to show you how to get started right now in no time. Did you know that 70% of businesses and business owners struggle to get customer engagement? They struggle to attract customers. They struggle to create content that can attract buyers to their business. The truth is that in today's business, content is king. Content simply means what people read and see or watch and listen to about your business. This is what you will use as your marketing tool through the various channels of distribution. So if people don't have content, they don't have marketing, as it were. But having said that, HighLevel is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses to collect all the marketing tools that they can and use it in an automated way to reach and qualify clients who end up being buying customers for their business. And before we dive in, I just want to touch on certain complex challenges that users, business owners face when they're trying to do their marketing, and I'll show you how HighLevel quickly solves those problems for those users. Now, the first one is called the sales generator. Now, if you're a business owner, you know how difficult it is to generate new leads, engage them and turn them into paying customers. And how does HighLevel help you solve this problem? HighLevel has a built-in process system of reaching out and finding prospects who are most likely to buy your product, qualifying them as leads, and sending them text messages on a regular basis with email sequence that turn them into buying customers. It does this by attracting these potential customers, collecting their information, and creating automated text messages sent to them on a weekly, monthly, regular basis until they qualify them as customers who love your product and want to buy you from your business. Let's talk about something else that business owners or businesses struggle with. So small businesses know that they should create content and post them on a regular basis on various social media platforms, but they're not able to do this for various reasons. Some of them being that they are very busy trying to close deals or fulfill other tasks that their business requires, and this is a huge challenge. It costs them a lot of money, it reduces the amount of sales that they can generate in a specific period of time, and it doesn't look well for the business. And how does HighLevel solve this problem? Using artificial intelligence, HighLevel has all it takes to automatically create, distribute and manage all your content all in one platform. With AI together with HighLevel, it's a perfect marketing assistant that will create and manage all your content distribution on autopilot while you focus on other important things for your business. And it does all this at a tiny fraction of what it will cost you to hire a marketing assistant and people who answer your emails. HighLevel will do all these things in seconds so that you can schedule distribution and follow up on those distribution sequences. As a result, HighLevel is a content producer and distributor for your business. Another challenge that small businesses face is that business owners spend hundreds of hours doing very boring and difficult organizational tasks that they hate to do, but these are tasks that are necessary for business. How does HighLevel solve that problem? HighLevel is designed for perfect, impeccable organization, placing all your business operations on autopilot. It manages your sales operations. It sets sales calendar for people to book appointments with you for coaching, consultation or whatever services you offer, and it sends out reminders to these people closer to the time when the appointment reaches so that they can show up, because when they show up then you get paid. And this perfect system eliminates the possibility of any leads falling through the cracks or people that have called you that you missed their call, they will never get back to you again. With this functionality, HighLevel can be described as a sales assistant. Problem number 4 that small businesses face is business owners lose a lot of money they would have made because they are too busy chasing customers, closing deals, taking phone calls, following up leads, trying to send emails and text messaging and doing all these things. And while they're doing so, they miss many calls, and these calls are potential leads that could bring income to the business. And how does HighLevel solve this problem? HighLevel is designed with a fail-safe system that never lets a single phone call from a potential client fall through the cracks. It will automatically send a two-way text message with artificial intelligence and connect with this prospect who called and make sure the communication continues until they qualify as a lead. With this new feature, business owners can be sure to absolutely recollect 100% of all the missed calls that came through in their business and follow up with these ones till they turn these prospects into paying customers. So this system is called a missed calls and text message back system, and HighLevel provides that on autopilot. Another issue is that business owners are overcharged for regular websites that take months to build and never create a single sale for them. It doesn't bring any income to the business. But with HighLevel, you can build and launch high impact live websites in an instant. You can build websites that create, increase and multiply sales for your business. It does this by publishing pre-built world-class standard websites and funnels in seconds, customized for your business needs, and they go live instantly. And with these websites, you are able to collect payments from anywhere in the world. This feature is called an instant payment collector. Issue number 6. Businesses and business owners lose thousands of dollars that they could have made in revenue every year for the simple reason that they don't look legit. And the cost of building legitimate image for their business through active branding can be quite expensive. HighLevel brings a system that's world-class and highly rated, and it brings in reviews for qualified happy clients on autopilot. Using this function, HighLevel can be described as a trust builder for your business. Issue number 7. Business owners struggle to follow up with clients and leads, and as a result, they lose thousands of dollars each year because they are too busy trying to fulfill other important things that the business needs to run. Unfortunately, they're not able to follow up. And how does HighLevel help? HighLevel has a never-ending virtual chat to connect marketing assistant that will follow up with your leads and keep up the conversation until a sale is accomplished. Using the help of AI, HighLevel will create a series of emails and text messages, give you a variation to choose from, and all you do is copy and paste, and from there, the emails and text messages are automatically delivered to these prospects on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis until these prospects become paying customers. These are a list of common problems that business owners may face, and beginners who want to use HighLevel may not know where to start, and as a result, they might find it overwhelming. But if you follow these simple steps and look for these functions, you can start off your business on the right footing using GOHIGHLEVEL. The customer relationship marketing function and the funnel building systems, together with the email marketing and all other functions like the text messaging ones, they all streamline your marketing efforts. It brings it all together in one platform. I can think of back in the day when we used to use simple landing page builders. We had to pay for other functional autoresponders for emails like your Aweber and MailChimp and so on. But today, HighLevel brings all of these together in such a way that you don't need to leave this interface to accomplish all your business, marketing, and CRM needs. Quite a beautiful feature, and businesses all across the world are loving it. And we are using HighLevel in-house for all our business needs, and we certainly recommend it. If you'd like to give it a try, click the link below and get a 30-day free trial of HighLevel. If you go straight to HighLevel, you will get a 14-day free trial, but click the link below to get a 30-day free trial for your HighLevel, and you are free to cancel before the 30 days elapses. You don't need to pay anything, nothing charged, no questions asked. If you're already a current user of HighLevel, leave a comment below. We'd like to see your experience. What does it feel like? And if you need any help on any specific function you'd like us to touch on, please comment below and we will be happy to come back and discuss those and clarify those functions in detail. Alright, so let's talk about the common challenges that many beginners face when trying to navigate HighLevel. They become overwhelmed with this marketing tool with so many functions. They are so confusing, you may not even know where to start. Juggling multiple platforms and learning complicated softwares can be daunting, and just trying to keep up with everything can be difficult and really challenging. And as a result of these things, many people give up and they never get started. But this is exactly where GOHIGHLEVEL comes in. It's designed to simplify not just the process of doing business with the platform or selling it as a service to other businesses, but also it makes it easy for you to navigate. The interface is very user friendly, and I'm going to help you see where to start And as soon as we start, the rest of it makes sense and it all falls into place. This platform is designed to eliminate confusion. It combines every single marketing business tool you need in one single dashboard. So whether it is generating leads, sending emails, building funnels, sending text messages, GOHIGHLEVEL simplifies the entire process, and no more flipping between different softwares and paying expensive subscriptions to different softwares and applications around that gets plugged in to create just one thing. And when you do this, the challenge often is trying to remember all the tools that you used. And trust me, this is a massive relief for anyone who started out the way we started, building funnels and building websites and getting separate marketing systems from different suppliers and vendors to build one thing. Sometimes you forget the login details, the password. Sometimes you forget where to find the autoresponders that you use to collect certain emails for a certain client. But today, HighLevel brings it all together and simplifies it on one dashboard. Now let's explore one key feature that makes GOHIGHLEVEL a must-have, especially for beginner business owners. It's very important that we get this point, because then you will understand why HighLevel is the best thing that will happen to your business. When you're a beginner and you run into any confusing challenges, all you need to do is reach out to the HighLevel tech team by clicking on the little question mark at the top right corner of your page, and you will get a live Zoom chat where you get help by some specialists and technical assistants. And that makes life so easy, because like anyone learning a new package, a new software, you will find problems with onboarding and setting up your systems correctly, but HighLevel makes the entire process very simple and user-friendly. So in conclusion, GOHIGHLEVEL is an incredible solution for beginners looking to boost their business and marketing professionally and effectively. It simplifies everything from lead management, email marketing, making it easy to grow your business so that you can focus on doing things that your business requires to grow, and the business runs on autopilot while you focus on those things. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used GOHIGHLEVEL? And if you did, what was the experience like for you? Leave a comment below this video, let us know. And should you have any questions you would like us to answer, or functions in HighLevel you want us to clarify how to use, please leave a comment and we will be happy to come back and address those quickly. Please, if you enjoyed this video and found value in it, like and share and click on the subscription button below so that next time we release a new video, you'll be among the first ones to know. Thank you and bye for now.